Alright everybody, so today is November 19th. It's a Saturday. I was going to clean up my leaves today. Don't know that I'll video that, but what I'm going to get a video of is me starting up 2007 Troy-Bilt mower. I don't know how cold it is today. It's probably only in the high 20s or low 30s right now. So I'll see if the mower will start. And I might use it, well, I will actually use it if it gets started to clean up the leaves. I know it has gas in it, so I'll see if it'll start. Oh, that's good. It started up. And maybe what I'll also do in this video is talk about what I like and don't like about the mower. Really like that it has a Honda motor. Also really like that it's a high-wheeled lawnmower, and it does a really good job of mowing. I'd bring you guys closer, but got camera facing me, and maybe I will. But yeah, like the Honda motor on it, and like the high rear wheels. Use my Craftsman, but gotta fix the cable. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.